Hi guys, if you have some extra bread that you don't want to throw away, why not turn it into a dessert? Start off by buttering the bread. Once you've buttered the bread, cut them into little cubes and place them in a greased baking dish. In a bowl, whisk together 2 eggs with a tablespoon of vanilla essence in 2 cups of milk. To that, add in half a cup of sugar, as well as nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Now scoop this mix over the buttered bread. Sprinkle on some extra cinnamon and bake at 180 degrees for between 40 and 45 minutes. Bread pudding all done. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.